What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Mechanicsville, Virginia, and we're getting ready to check out another beautiful home from RCI Builders. So let me get you outside. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, say hello to the Madison. This is an absolutely gorgeous home. This one actually has one of the coolest kind of pantry kitchen to dining room flows that I've ever seen. So super excited to get in there and share that with you. But anyway, inside of this home, you are gonna find 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It does have a 3-car garage around to the right-hand side of the home. And all of this sits inside of 4,067 square feet. It's got triple double doors here on the front of the home. You've got this kind of semi-wraparound front porch, which is pretty neat. You got the stamped concrete. And then this beautiful, just kind of whitewashed brick. But like I said, you've got the 3 doors, and the 2 on either side actually work. And then this is your main entryway. But let me get you over here and show you this side too. Just got some little sitting areas on either side of the house. Now, if you are interested in this home, it is currently listed for $1,299,900. But with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. So this one has a proper foyer, and this is the view that you're greeted with just as soon as you walk in. Just tons of things happening in here. But before we dive into all of it, go ahead and show you this front entryway. So of course you've got the double doors, some beautiful trim around them. And then on either side of the foyer, you do have a couple different things. So the first one is the office, and you've got pocket doors, which can close up. And then into the office itself, some floating shelves. Tons of light coming in here. So this is the second RCI home that we've toured. And I like this one a lot better. As we're walking through it, you know, let me know what you think. Also, let me know what you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. And hit that subscribe button. We tour beautiful custom and luxury homes all across the country, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of it. So on the opposite side of the foyer, you do have your dining room, and this one's gonna have a pretty sweet flow to it, like I said. But you got the wainscot going all the way around. And just a nice, beautiful kind of sitting space. And then from there, you can continue going down the foyer to enter into the main living space, but we're gonna take a little detour into this butler's pantry and get a load of it. Just tons of space in here. You've got all the counter space. I'm talking crock pots for days. This is the perfect, I think, like holiday setup. You know what I mean? I know we're past the holidays, but you know, now's the perfect time to start preparing, right? But anyway, tons of room. You've got outlets going everywhere. You've got a little prep sink in here. A little mini fridge. A couple floating shelves, and then you've got your cupboards over along this wall. And they are just stacked up. And then they don't quite go all the way up to the ceiling. So you had to put, if you wanted to put like some decorations up there, you could. Maybe you've got some extra bulk items you wanted to put up there as well. You can do that also. But it just kind of wraps around, which is super neat, to the kitchen. So let me go ahead and I'll give you a little sneak peek of this section, and then I'll just give you a good pan of the kitchen before we really dive into it. So you've got island. It's got seating on this side, and it actually has a little bit of seating here on the end as well, which is pretty neat. And they've incorporated some storage on this side of the island. And it's got a couple pendant lights hanging down over the top of it. And then on this side, you've got your dishwasher, your apron sink, and your trash can drawer. And I will go ahead and give you that first glimpse into the living room. Just really pretty. KitchenAid appliances throughout. Along the back wall, you've got your gas range, nice little pot filler, some floating shelves, and then another beautiful range hood. And then you've got your built-in oven and microwave. And here the cabinets do go all the way up to the ceiling. So that's nice. Refrigerator, and then you've got some little bit of buffet space on either side of that. And then on the opposite side of the house, kind of towards the back of the home, you've got your morning room or your less formal kind of dining space, right? You do have access out onto the back patio from here, but you also have it from the living room, and we'll get out there once we get checking out the living room. We've got a couple other things to get to first. And then there's a pocket door right here that leads into your mudroom. So you got a little hall tree, a little bench so you can kick off your shoes and stuff, put them in the drawers. You've got washer dryer hookups, nice deep wash basin, some more cabinets. And then you've got this coat closet. Now there's another one in the foyer we haven't gotten to. We'll go swing over there and grab it once we get into the living room. I didn't miss it, I promise. But you also have a little powder room back here as well. And then all the way kind of towards the side of the house, this is the garage. So 3 stalls. You've got the water heater out here, and then you have your electric panels. It also looks like there is some attic access. And then that's about all I'm seeing. Oh, the water main is out here as well. So that's nice, easily accessible. All right. And then we're going to dive into the living room just as soon as we walk over here and I show you this coat closet in the foyer. I know I probably should have kept to the foyer, but I was too excited about the pantry space. Anyway, another nice closet, little coat closet right here at the end of the foyer before you ultimately spill out here into the living room. So you have some beautiful built-ins on either side of the fireplace. And then I do love this about the RCI homes that we've been touring. They have these really nice kind of gas fireplaces with just kind of subtle yet elegant kind of surrounds, you know what I mean? And I think they just look really nice. Go ahead and give you the good views of all the space. And then we'll go ahead and pop outside. Check out this back patio. So nice and spacious. You've got a little spot right here to mount a TV. Nice wooded lot. And then just all the room. All right, so my second favorite part of this home is actually this master suite. I think it's actually pretty sweet. Anyway, around the corners kind of sits back here behind the living room space. But this is the bedroom itself, and just get a load of all of the space in here, right? Just tons of it. You have a beautiful accent wall. Like, I just love how roomy and open it is. and then into its ensuite. So first thing, you've got kind of the wet room with the tub, 2 shower heads. You got a little transom window up there letting in a little natural light. And then opposite that, you've got the double vanity, a little medicine cabinet here in the middle. A linen closet. And then into the closet. It's got a little makeup vanity in here. That's pretty nice. And I think it's pretty much the same thing on, like it mirrors itself on either side. So one's not bigger than the other. And then you also have the water closet back here in the ensuite. So that's everything out here on the main level. And then we'll go ahead and work our way upstairs, check out all the secondary bedrooms. But I like it. Like the flow of the kitchen into the formal dining room, that got me. And I just love the space in the master bedroom. But anyway, coming upstairs, this is the common space up here for all the secondary bedrooms. And then it has a closet kind of back behind us. Ooh, what? Oh, check this out. See, I didn't even open this door up. All right. So this leads up to some unfinished space. Well, this makes it a whole lot nicer. I thought that was just gonna be like a little bitty closet. Now it's a great big closet, right? You can store tons of stuff up here. But you got the furnace. And you can always like finish it off a little bit. You know, you watch some of those DIY videos on Facebook and Instagram or TikTok. And they're always finishing spaces like that, turning them into nifty little kind of getaway spots. But anyway, that surprised me. I had walked through the whole home with the exception of that part right there. Anyway, into the first of the secondary bedrooms, this sitting up towards the front of the house. And I think all of the rooms are pretty good size. This just happens to have a couple twin beds in here, so it spreads it out a little bit. And then into its closet. And then this one connects to the next bedroom via this Jack and Jill. So you've got 2 vanities. A little linen closet in the middle. And then back behind us is the water closet with the toilet. And then this one has a shower and tub insert. And then into bedroom number 2. So it's better to see the space in this one with just, I think this is a queen. And then into its closet. And then on the opposite side of the hallway, this is the 3rd secondary bedroom. And its closet. They're all basically the same exact layout, I think, in every one of these secondary rooms. This one, though, is attached to an ensuite. It also shares ensuite space with, I guess, the common spaces, so they have access via the hallway. But double vanity, toilet, double doors into the linen closet. And then this one has a standalone shower, tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And then back out into the hallway. All right. Now let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home or RCI Builders, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. And as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.